Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on this video we are going to be making party soup. I'm going to be making egusi for party. So today is Edo Day in Uppsala where I lived, so I'm going to be preparing egusi. Egusi and buns. So I will show you guys in another video the buns. So over here is my egusi. I have almost 20 cups in here. I have some stock fish here and some different types of dried fish in there. Some atarodo. I have some atarodo in there. I also have some red onions. I love these onions in my egusi and very sweet. Some cow strips. And over here I have some beef. So we are going to get started. And if you know you live around my city here in Uppsala, feel free to patronize us. We are into catering services, so we also bake and do some small chops. So we are available for business. So let's get started. So I've already washed my meat, so I'm going to be adding it in there. I'm also going to be adding my chicken. So I'm going to be adding my powder, non-powdered milk. I'm going to allow it to simmer a little bit before adding water to it. So on this junction, I'm going to be adding water to it, because immediately after the meat is done, I'm going to remove the meat and allow the others to do.
12 actually.
Guys, this is the frying method I'm using. It's good you fry it, So guys, I changed my pot because that pot was little, so I decided to change the pot. So I'm going to be adding all my meat in there now. pot I'm using is 15 liters. Did you guys see that? So I'm going to be adding bitter leaf and ugu leaf to it. So I'm going to be adding the last thing, which is my bitter leaf and ugu. So guys, our soup is ready. Yeah, it's ready. If you know you have watched up to this extent, please like, follow and share. See you guys on my next video. Bye.